Matanggal bakit?
Gone live too.
Wala ka na live.
No, live ba rin? Ay, siguro hindi na. Nagka ako.
How was the experience with Grand Believers?
Totoo, hindi naman. Hindi talaga ako na-hurt pag may nagsabi ng OA. Kasi OA ka, may baka na. Halika, OA sister.
How's your bloom heart, bro? It exploded na talaga, guys. Kasi guys, did you know na no? I know. Like, I bought Beanie Cebu. Pero hindi ako nakago kasi na hotel arrest na ako for PBB. Pero I didn't know pa if I was gonna be a housemate. So I was so like sabi ko, bro, what if hindi ako makapunta sa Beanieverse? And then I'm not a housemate pa dyan, so I just lost 2. So na-scared ako. Stop crying, Althea. Anyway, guys. So nga, akala ko, I can go to Beanieverse. Tapos imagine if I wasn't gonna be a housemate. So 2, mawala sa akin. So I'm like, bro, I'm so scared. But nag-pray na lang ko. And then I became a housemate. No? So I was like, okay. Worth it lang yung pag-miss ko ng Beanieverse. And did I expect to watch Grand Beanieverse, bro? That was so good talaga. Amazing talaga. Walang kulang. Perfect talaga, bro. So talented Beanie talaga. Like, they deserve everything that is going on in their life right now. Kasi I'm a bloom talaga. Alam ko talaga. Like, of course, I don't know. Kasi ang dami, no? Anyway, yeah. So proud of Beanie po talaga, guys. Like, crazy. They deserve this talaga. Tapos, not only did I enjoy their performance, they noticed us pa, Jude. They noticed us. So I was like, oh my God. Tapos, Beanie and Rain, tapos Ate Colette, not Ate Colette Madelo, but Ate Colette, oh my God, Ate Colette, oh my God, bro. I did not wash my hand. I washed my hand. Bro, talaga crazy talaga. Oh my God. Thank you Lord, magiging mabait na ako in the world forever.